Prompt 12 is called Movement Color Scheme. So what I want you to do is create a large box square in your sketchbook and then divide it into 4 sections. So what we're going to do is we're going to give the illusion of movement. So if you remember, movement is when how your eye moves through an artwork. If you can think about the mandalas that we created, our eye kind of kept making a circular motion as our eye followed the design in a circle. This one, I would like you to create movement using Zentangling. So to start, you are going to just start creating a Zentangle design, and it's all going to be connected together. So maybe there's my first line, and then I have my second line around here, and I'm just going to start creating a Zentangle. And you can have multiple designs if you like, so maybe I do one more loop around here, and I start creating lines like this. Remember, Zentangling is just fine, tiny designs, so I might need to add more lines in between here all the way around. So I'm going to continue my design, and then I'll show you what to do next. I have my drawing and a lot of movement, your eye. It gives the illusion that it's kind of radiating out. So that's how I'm going to show movement. Now I'm going to start coloring. So what you are going to do is label each section. Go ahead and do monochromatic, complementary, complementary on the opposite, and then analogous here. So go ahead and label all 4 of those, and what you're going to do is, even though this is one continuous drawing, each section is going to be a different color scheme. So starting with monochromatic, I'm just going to choose one color and use its values. So I am using crayon. You can use colored pencil, marker. If you want to go for watercolor, it's totally up to you. But I am going to, it's like this violet red color. I'm going to start with the darker values. So have a really heavy red violet, and then maybe have a regular kind of medium tone, and then I'm going to do really light. And I'm going to do this pattern over and over in this entire section. So I will have a variety of the lights and the darks of this one color. So again, monochromatic is one color and its values, color in the whole thing. Then complementary, you can do, like my favorite is blue and orange. And I color this whole section in with blue and orange, and then over here maybe purple and yellow complements, and make sure you reference the color wheel if you need it. And then analogous, 3 to 5 colors right next to each other on the color wheel. This is my completed movement color scheme, so be sure every section is colored according to the color scheme.